In this video tutorial, we cover how to register a player and run Racquet Sports Challenge Ladders matches using your Racquets Ladders app. Having signed in to Racquets with registered player credentials, we go to the hamburger menu. We go to the Racquets Ladders icon. There we find two options, Register on Ladder and Ladders. By entering the option Register on Ladders, we will see the available ladders that, according to the selected sport and according to player ranking and level, will be active to register in them. If we click on the Register button, we will see the terms and conditions that we must read and agree to, so that the experience is enjoyable to all participants. After being registered in a challenge ladder, we can now view it in the Ladders option. Here, according to the selected sport, we can see each of them. Upon entering, at the top we will see the details, such as the minimum and maximum player rating level, their position in the ranking, and the number of participants. Below, we will see the payment method, which we can change to carry out transactions on the Ladder app. We also find several options, such as the ranking, where we will see the positions of each of the players who are registered on the ladder. Under the challenge option, we will see the value to pay for each challenge match we request, and by clicking there, according to the rules, it will show us the players who are above our player ladder position. By clicking on the challenge button, we will see the days and hours of availability that a player has to receive and accept challenge matches. After clicking on the Send button, Racquets will send an email informing the player to cancel, accept, or reschedule the match. If we check the ladders down in Calendar, the status of our match has been left in pending. When the other player accepts, cancels, or reschedules the challenge, Racquets will inform us by email of the player's response. If this challenge has been accepted, it will change to blue, and we can now add the court where the match will be played. Upon clicking on the 3 points menu icon, we will see the details of the challenge and two options, one to reserve a court and the other to add a court. From the Add Court button, we can search for one of those that have already been previously registered by other players according to the city entered. Or, from the Add Court tab, we can add a new court by filling out the data in the form. In this case, let's carry out the process using the Reserve Court button, so Racquets will integrate the Racquets Court application. In this window, we select the venue, and by clicking Next, we will see the courts available on the date and time of the match. By selecting the preferred court, it will show us the general summary and the payment method, which we can change. At the end of the process, we will receive an email with the details of this reservation. If we enter the challenge again, we will see the details of the court, and additionally, 3 buttons will be enabled for us. Cancel the match, and we would lose the position in the ranking. Edit will show us a form to change the date and time of the challenge and also the location of the. And by clicking on the Play button, it will show us the Racquets Selfie Ref, digital scoreboard to enter the games either on your phone or smartwatch during the game. Upon entering the Racquets Selfie Ref, we will see a button with the name Rules, which will show us what the ladder game system is like. To begin entering the score, we click on the Play button that is enabled in the first set. From here, we add the games, and when finished, we will get a message to confirm the result. Then, the Play button will be activated in the second set to enter the result, and if there is a tie in the sets, the third set will be activated. After entering the final score, the Send Result button will appear, which when sent, the positions of the players will change according to the results. If we enter the ladder again, and in the ranking option, we will see that the players have changed positions. From the Historical option, we will see all the challenge matches that we have had, and through the 3 points, the details of each one, such as date, time, and playing field. And from the Racquets Selfie Ref button, we will see the final result of this match. This is the highly automated way your Rcnet ladders work in Racquets.